Hello everyone, how to totes back with another new video, and in this video I'll guide you how to copy any character user link or ID link on your Linky app. So you have to choose anyone you like, and if you want to send your this one to your friend or anyone, then you can. So I'm just going to pick up the randomly maybe this one, and then this is your inbox. So wait a second. Then if you want to get this character IDs, so what you need to do, you need to tap with the three line top right corner, and again tap the option, this one, it's called a arrow, and you can select option copy link, this one, it's copy now. So if you want to send anyone, then you can send, like you can send your friend or anyone. So okay friend, today's no man, see you in the next video.